say some rather exciting news to you all. This is the last video that I put up, and you'll notice in the title that it's a wood turning video. It's a basic how to use a wood lathe, and Google or YouTube has converted the speech so you can actually hear it. You don't have to stare at the screen and read it into, obviously it's recorded in English, but in addition you can listen to it in Spanish, German, Italian, French and Portuguese. And it goes something like this. I think it's actually done with AI, but my voice turns into a female. So, but that doesn't matter. The main thing is, or the main point of it all is, that, you know, a lot more people who don't fully understand, you know, the English spoken word can actually learn from or enjoy my tutorial videos maybe that little bit better. So it goes something like this anyway. We'll start it up and it'll be in English first off, and I'll show you exactly what to do to get it into, you know, these other languages as well. So we'll run it.
16 million downloads. And a lot of people who have watched those videos.
So there I am speaking English. So what you do to change to one of the other spoken languages, you come down here to the little gear wheel where it says settings. You left click on that and you come up here. Now, as I understand it, not all videos on YouTube have this ability. It is only a select few. I've been notified that my videos from now on will have this option for you all. So I don't know whether I'm being a guinea pig or what, but it's all good news. So here you go. So that's what you do. You go to the, I'll do that again. Okay, so you, let's do that again. I was rabbiting on. So you left click on the little gear wheel and you come up to audio track, and it notifies you that there are 6 different languages. So you come over here to this arrow, left click. So then you have a choice then of these languages. Obviously it's United States English original, actually Australian English, but it's good. Okay, so we'll switch it to Italian, and this is what it sounds like.
Video hanno chiesto e chiesto. Cosa ho fatto con il resto del materiale? Bene, l'ho salvato. Ed eccolo qui. Questo è il tronco di quell'albero. E in entrambe le occasioni di quelle torniture del legno,
So there I am speaking Italian, and I didn't know I could. I know a couple of words, but not very many. So now we'll come up here and we'll change it to, oh, let's try Spanish. I know a little bit of Spanish too.
Problemas porque esta madera es muy dura. Si han visto los videos, verán que sucedieron cosas extrañas en el taller, como un momento en particular en que la pieza saltó de...
Okay. So you see what I mean now. It's all female voice. So I don't know whether it is actually a human that's translated it, or whether it's done with AI. Either way, it's pretty impressive, I think. German.
Moment ist mir das Stück auf der Drechselbank entgegengesprungen. Daher haben sie ihren Namen. Heute werden wir eine lange, schmale Vase aus diesem einen Ende herstellen.
Okay, German. And we may as well go through the whole. French.
D'extrémité. D'une extrémité ou de l'autre. Donc, eux, nous appellerons celui-ci la terre du milieu maléfique. Ok, ou quelque chose comme ça.
That's French. I don't know how this is actually being picked up because it's using the mic on my iLogic camera there. I don't know how well it's picking it up. But it sounds pretty good here, you know, on the speakers of the computer, the external speakers, that is. And the last one, Portuguese, which I think is close to Spanish. Not sure.
Vemos o que acontece durante esse torneamento. Mas pode ser interessante. Então, vou preparar isso no torno e ver o que acontece.
Okay. Did I do Spanish? I'm not sure. So it's Portuguese, Brazilian, Spanish, United States. I think I did that one already, but...
Acabo de hacer un agujero muy pequeño de 3 milímetros en cada extremo. No muy profundo. Es para...
I sound pretty good in Spanish. Okay, so that's how to get the 5 or 6 spoken languages on my videos from now on, as I understand it. If you know you speak a different language to that, you're still catered for, because if you go here to the subtitles, let me see, then settings, and then you can come in here to, at the moment it's set on English, click on here, auto translate, and then you know you have all these Arabic, all these other different languages, Chinese, you know, every language is in here. So you know, you're going to get the subtitles down here. Chinese traditional, oh hang on, what else have we got here? Dutch. Let's try that.
Poder localizar el centro de transmisión. Mira, es una transmisión de espuela. Tiene como dientes.
So you have written in Dutch and speaking in Spanish. So we will convert that now to English. And now...
And this one has got a bearing on it. So
that's back. And of course down here it's in Dutch. So you can, you know, you can choose all these different languages. I've checked on other channels that I watch, and this is not available on those channels. Unfortunately, maybe YouTube and Google are going to roll it out to all channels. I'm not sure. But there you go. You know, I don't have that information, but I'm sure they will at some stage. Like I say, I could well be a guinea pig. So maybe someone from YouTube can actually, I don't know, tag a YouTube official video onto the back end of this video that I'm doing now, with a better explanation of what is going on. But as I understand it, that is what is happening. So I think I might have a chance to make another video or two before Christmas, but if I don't, I'd like to wish everybody out there who watches my videos, and a special thanks to the patrons and all the subscribers. And general viewers, I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I may see you again before then. So it's bye for now.